today's video, I'm going to show you how to change passwords in Bitwarden. This is especially useful when you've updated a password on a website and want to make sure Bitwarden stays in sync and secure. To begin, open Bitwarden and go to your vault. This is where all your saved logins are stored. From the list, find the account you want to update. For example, a website like Amazon. Once you locate the correct entry, click on it to open the details. Inside the item, look for the edit option and select it. This will allow you to modify the saved login information. In the login section, you will see the current password field. Replace it with your new password. For better security, you can use Bitwarden's built-in password generator to create a strong and unique password instead of typing one manually. After entering the new password, double check that everything looks correct, then click Save. That's it. Your password is now updated securely in Bitwarden. The next time you visit the website, Bitwarden will autofill the new password for you, so you don't have to remember it. Keeping your passwords updated is an important habit for staying safe online, and Bitwarden makes it quick and easy. Thanks for watching and happy password managing.